Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to build the web page and display it on the website. So let's get started. Go to home, and here we need another file known as url s.py. We create this file urls urls.py. Yes, then we have the views, we have the url.py. This views, it should be having something. Let me copy it from here. Let me copy it from here. Let me just copy this one. I will explain. Now when you open it, it should be like that without this. By default, the URL, the views.py, it comes with Django with this code. Now here we need to use this one to direct our URL or the path. And also we have another one which was the main project here, URLs, which will be almost similar. This include is not good for now, or it's not important for now. We can just copy these, and when you copy this like that, or we just copy like that, we come with in these URLs and we paste it here again, and this one is not necessarily to be that. Yeah, SCC, or as you can see here, it's just blank. So this one is blank, but this one is not necessary. So what we do is like this. We say dot this is views dot home and we give the name of this URL, let's say like that. Now this one we are going to define it. Now remember, this one is URL, so we are going to define the function here. So define the function is Remember this one we also did it last time, so I want to start it again. So and this is we request it, and because it's function it should end with a semicolon. Then we return, we do return, then render is for rendering the HTML, then render request, and then we say that our template is located within home, and here when you go to templates within home you get home.html. so go home, inside home get home.html, like that. Now here we can, in the view file, we can bring the URL here. So we say from current folder, just dot means current folder, which is all this home. So from current folder import what we are importing. We are importing the views. Sorry, this is not for views, it is here, it is URLs. So here we are importing the views. So import views like that. And still it's not going to work, because when you look at my site and URLs, there is nothing that is going to be connecting. So for this to work, we need also to say to include the URL here. So include and then we say path. Let's leave it like that and say include. What are we including? Let's include the string of the home application, and then we take off from home we take off the URLs. I think now we can save, and here we can save, and here we can save. Let's look at whether it's going to work well. Remember, the aim is to render the home page, and remember this one we said we written this HTML, it was h2, which is saying welcome home. So in web page this one should be displaying. So let's see. And yes, it is successful. The Django default page has disappeared and has been replaced by this our own HTML file. So next time we shall continue with connecting the CSS to the Django project, and thank you. Let's meet then.